Okay, for example 7, we're going to find the tangent line at a point on a parabola y equals x squared at the point 1, comma 1. Okay, so what we're looking for is the equation of this red line. The red line goes to the point 1, comma 1. That's 1, 1 right there. The parabola y equals x squared has a vertex right here at 0, 0. Okay. Now, from the focus, it is the same distance from the focus to any point on the line as it is from the focus down here to the y-intercept of that tangent line. So those two distances are equal to each other. That's where we get d1 equals d2. Okay, so our goal is d1 is going to be equal to the focus point minus the distance to the y from the y-intercept. Okay, so our job is going to start with determining, well, essentially we got to determine the focus point first. So that's the first step. Okay, so we have y equals x squared. So we know from the equation the basic form of y minus h equals 4p times x minus k quantity squared. Or sorry, this is k, this is h. That 4p is the coefficient of x squared. So 4p equals 1, which means p equals 1/4. Okay, so p is 1/4. That makes our focus the point 0, 1/4. This point right here is 0, 1/4, the focus, and that's that right there. Okay. To find the distance from the focus to 1, 1, I use the distance formula. So 2 is to find d2, and it's going to be the square root of x minus x, so 0 minus 1 quantity squared plus 1/4 minus 1, so y is quantity squared. So 1 squared plus that makes 3/4 squared, which is the square root of 1 plus 9/16. And so 16/16 is going to make it the square root of 25/16, which is 5/4. So d2 is 5/4 long, which means d1 is also 5/4 long. Okay, so the y-intercept is going to be this 5/4. It's going to be equal to the focus, which is 1/4, minus the y-intercept. So subtract b, by subtracting 1/4, I get 4/4, which is 1. Therefore, the y-intercept is -1. Okay, that's just the first. So I just found the focus and the distance, and I found the y-intercept. Step 4, the y-intercept is 0, -1. This point is 1, 1. So now I'm going to find the slope, 1 minus -1 over 1 minus 0 for 2 over 1, which is 2. So the equation is y equals 2x minus 1. And that's how you do it. Once you guys go ahead and try number 93, and I took the liberty of going ahead and drawing kind of a picture for you. Right here, x squared plus equals 2y is this graph, 4, 8, and I wouldn't have to start here, so 4p equals 2. Press pause so you can get the right answer. Okay, now that you're back, you already pressed pause and took a chance at it. Your equation is y equals 4x minus 8, and your x-intercept is 2. To get that, I start with 4p equals 2, so p is 1/2. I go because the number in front of y is 2. So the focus is at 0, 1/2. Then I found d2, step 2 here, by saying 0 minus 4 squared plus 1/2 minus 8 squared. Gave me 4 squared plus 15/2 squared, which is 16 over 225/4. When I took the square root of that, I got 8.5. And now I know that 8.5 equals 1/2 minus b, so b was -8. So that gives me the point 0, -8, and now I use 4, 8. So 8 minus -8 over 4 minus 0 for the slope, 16/4, which is 4. So y equals 4x minus 8, the equation of the purple line. Then it said to find the x-intercept, 0 for y, add 8 divided by 2, the x-intercept is 2. So there's the answers to number 93.